already have 4 live show in this month, and we already introduced about almost 10 series products to you. So today we will review all these products again. So first, let me introduce our company, Ultima company. We are LED driver manufacturer in Shenzhen since 2006. Yes, you can see this is our catalog. The first, what is one? Oh,
This one here.
Yeah, here is our. This is our factory. Now we are in our Shenzhen office. Here we have about 30 staffs here. So our factory is in Meijiu, also Guangdong province. It's about 6 hours from Shenzhen to Meijiu by the car. Also, you can see this is a whole building. Is all our factory with 4 floors, and this almost 4,300 square meters and over more than 150 workers here. And even our products are with CE, TUV, SAA, CTIC, SM, FCC, and ATL, even UL. You can see here. Here is our certificate. Also behind me, maybe you cannot see at the top. We already show our certificate here. Yeah. This is our certificate we already have. And now we have custom voltage LED driver, custom current LED driver, and dimmable LED driver such as track dimmable, 0 to 10, 1 to 10 PWM, and also DALI. And we have ultra thin, round shape, and linear shape LED driver. So our products can match the whole world needs. So we have many different kinds of products, and we can make sure our LED driver are with 3 years, 5 years, and 7 years warranty. That's very good, right? Because we are at 118 testing before the shipment, so we can control our defective rate within 0.3%. Okay. Finally, we can accept OEM and ODM, such as some customers they want to customer laser label, customer package, and anything we can do for you, no problem. Okay, that's the simple introduction about our Ultima. If you want to know more, we have a video which made by Alibaba and the TV, so you can know more about us and about to show you our factory, our production line. Also, if you have a chance, welcome to our factory so I can take you to review. Okay, next, Sally, which kind of products you want to introduce first?
Thank you for viewing wonderful components of the company introduced. First, okay.
Here.
First, today I just want to introduce our ultra-thin type LED driver for your custom voltage LED driver. You can see this model. In my hand, the sample is very small. The size is very perfect. Input voltage is from 100 to 240 watt. Output is constant voltage 12 watt and 24 watt. Different output power size are different. You can see here, but they are similar. Let me show you 6 watt dimension. You can see
40.5.
Yeah.
Width. The thickness is only 20, 21 or 20. It's very slim.
There's only 20.
Yeah,
20.
almost
29.
21. Almost.
Yeah. Okay.
Very small size.
This driver with 3 years warranty. Also, our PCB design is C is approved. You can see. $50.
You can see we use very high quality capacitor, and our transformer we use very high quality, and even the tin is very shiny because we use very good quality tin. And also, yeah, you can see our quality is very good by the PCB design.
Yeah, you can share with the video with your friends engineer. Also, we have a model with white color. You can see this model output power range is 60 to 30 watt.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. And also, it's very similar. The dimension is about 91 mm.
91.
Yeah, 91. Can you see?
Yeah, 91.
Dimension is about 20 mm.
Actually, it's almost 19. Almost 90 is 18 to 19.
Yeah,
Very slim.
very slim. This PCB is for the white color. It's okay.
Is for different. Oh, this is for this series, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
PCB is for this series.
Sorry. Yeah.
This
This
PCB.
PCB just for this model.
Yeah, you can see.
It's a white color. Also, you can see the housing cell is IP20 with the practice. It's safe, fireproof. It's safe. Put the driver in the wood and independent. Also, we can laser your logo on the driver. You can see this Optima. Our logo is here. Laser with bread. The wall. Okay.
And also this one with the certificates, the CE, because this one is very popular in the Europe market.
Our driver are available so many certificates for you, such as SAA for Australia, ETL, FCC for North American, TOV, CE laws are available for European market. We also have another attraction type popular LED driver. Right?
Yeah. Let me show you.
Okay.
Let me to take samples. Wait a moment. Too many samples here because we have many different series for this slim type LED driver. Frankly, this is our hottest item in the market. The hottest. Okay, our LED driver has IP20 and IPCC7, and also we have the high PF and the low PF. So let's introduce first about the IPF. You can see those two items. Those two items is a IPF series. This one is 61 and 12 volts. 61 and 12 volts. Here is the laser label. We use the laser label. As Sally said, we can change the logo and the model number to customers, or even you can make your own design to send us to make the laser, no problem. And you can see all of our these series are with CE and TUV. TUV is very popular in the Germany market. So, and also has SAA, ETL. So this LED driver will sell to the Europe market, to the North American market, and Australia market. It's very popular. And okay, this one is IPF and with 4 input voltage. The input voltage is 100 to 240. 100 to 240. And IPF is 0.9, and we can make it non-flicker at the IPF situation. And this one is non-flicker IPF, 3 years warranty. 3 years warranty. The voltage is from the 20 to 60 watt. 20 to 40 is thickness is only the 18 mm, but this is 60. The thickness is only the 22 mm. Let me show you. It is only 22 mm. Oh, sorry. You can see 22 or 22 to 23 almost. This is the biggest one, the 6 watt for this series. Yeah. And also we have this one is 4 input voltage, but some customer they want single input voltage to reduce the costs. Yes, we can make it. We can make the single input voltage such as 180 to 240. So the price is a little cheaper than this one. So you can choose which one is suitable for your market. And even we have another cheaper one is this series. This series is low PF. The performance and the quality is very good. Just the PF is a little different. The PF is 0.6, but it's also 3 years warranty and non-flicker. The voltage is from 20 to 50. The thickness, let me show you. Very slim. This is very slim. You can see. This all is PC raw material. PC is a very kind of raw material, has fireproof and double insulation. It's only 16 mm. Very slim size. Sally, can you help me to open the PCB so I can show the PCB to customer?
Okay.
Maybe you can find a tour.
Okay.
There. Find a tour. Thank you so much. This one is 50 watt. 50. Such slim size for 50 is very popular. And we use orange cover for the input and output side. Even here is the design to make the screw to fix on the lights. Also, we have another series which is very small size, such as this one. Very small, right? Is compared with my hand, easy. Compared with my hand, very small. This one is from 6 to 60 watt. 6 watt, the thickness is only 40. Very special. You can imagine how can we do that. 14, you can see. very surprised, right? The input is 100 to 277, so it's 4 input voltage, and we can make 12 and 24 watt for this series. Wait a moment. Later I will show you our PCB design. And you can see this is 6-1. This one is 36. This one is the biggest one is 60. You can see 60. The slim size, very slim. And we use terminal for the input and output side, so it's very easy to installation the wire with the LED driver and the LED lamps. You can see. Okay, you can see our PCB design. If you are engineer, so you will be very happy for our design because we use very shiny tin. And here is the IC, and we use very high quality components. We have
the transformer.
Yeah, the transformer and the capacitor. Everything is very good. And this is fully past the EMC and the EMI. And the temperature is very good. Because you may know for such kind of plastic LED driver, maybe the temperature is very high after working long time. So no need to worry about this if you choose our LED driver because we make high efficiency up to 86%. Yeah, very good for the IP for this products, right? And also we have the IP67 for the outdoor use. You can see this one. This is aluminum housing with filled with glue inside. It's very good for the heat dissipation. And you can see this housing design is also very special. We use the wire, the input and output wire direct. Also here is a simple sticker, but also we use the laser label here. And here the ear part, we also have this design to make the screw to fix the LED driver on some furnitures. This is the PCB inside. Inside PCB, you can see. Is isolated. Very good design, very clean and looks very good. The design, very clear. This one is from 20 to 240, and now we make the low PF 0.6. But if you want to make high PF, we can also do that for you. And even the housing, the color now is silver color, right? If you want to change to another color, also that's no problem. We can do for you. But maybe need MOQ for the customized order. And this one is 3 years warranty and non-flicker, 3 years warranty. As such, you know why we make this very slim design because some lights they have the size limited, such as the mirror light, LED bus mirror light, and the cabinet light, and also some slim such as panel light. They want to use this very slim size. So we also have another very special for the cabinet. Sally, please show the customer about our cabinet LED driver. I think the customer will very interested in.
Yes, okay. Follow me, I will show you the cabinet virtually. You can see in my hand two colors of the LED driver. This model is cabinet LED driver. The color is black and white. You can choose which one you like. Here I can connect the input wire with the plug.
Let me show you.
Okay, give me one.
Okay.
Such like this model is 100 power. Output power is 24 watt. Here with 10 ways. Master control connect here. 6-way output. The thickness is very interesting. Different output sizes are different, but they are similar. $18 to 60 watt with 6-way output. You can see 6-way output. $70 to 100 watt. 6-way is 10-way. 6-way. No, 10-way. 10 ways output. Yeah, that means you can connect 10 LED street lights
together.
Yeah. Input voltage is 100 to 240 watt. Here laser the parameters in the driver. The driver CE laws are available. ETL for North America, SAA for Australia. The driver with 3 years warranty. Let me show you the thickness. Even 100 watt. The thickness just only 24.
Yeah.
Output connect the constant voltage such like 12 watt and 24 watt. Please pay attention. If you connect the LED street light, the output power doesn't overtake the LED driver output power. If your driver is 6-way output, your LED street light is 70 watt. There will be way.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. This is our PCB design. You can see here. 6-way output, 10-way output. We use the best raw material, so with 3 years warranty is no problem.
Maybe later you can show the customer how it works.
Okay. Let me show you the driver how it works to you. Here, how it can work for you. You can see this AC plug. You can change as your standard, such as USA plug, EU plug, and UK plug.
Let me help you.
Okay. Input input wire. Just connect here directly. It's easy. Cabinet LED driver with 6-way output. You can connect here. Master sensor. Here with output, connect the LED street light and door sensor. Terminals connect the LED driver directly. Power on.
Here you can see.
So you can put it the left and the It's clear. Maybe put one.
Put the black one.
Yeah. Master sensor can control the light.
Also, you can control the lights through the separate sensor, such like this one is. You can see.
Master sensor can control the 6-way output LED street light together. It will help you reduce the cost. Master sensor with our new design. Okay.
Yeah. Also, this cabinet LED driver will have a very good new function, which has two-ya function. Because some customers they want app to control the brightness and change the color, change the yellow color, green color, and red color. So you can change that one. You can choose that one. Choose the two-ya function cabinet LED driver. But we didn't take sample here because here is too many samples. If you want to get more info or you want to get our test video, you can contact us so we can send to you.
Also, I want to tell you the sensor we also available the sensor, touch sensor.
Yeah, we have many sensors to choose.
Yes.
Yeah, you can choose which one you prefer or it's more convenient to you. And also, I think the customer just now we show you all is the same type LED driver. Maybe you have a question. All this is non-dimmable, right? Do you have dimmable LED driver also with very slim size? Yes, we have. Hi, to have you can see this one. This is very special and beautiful design, right? It looks very clear, and this white housing is very popular by our customer. Looks very clean and simple. You can see. Firstly, this is with PC raw material also, and double insulation, and also fireproof. Very good raw material. And here this part is our laser label, such as other LED drivers. So also this one is CE and CE for the Europe market, SAA for the AU market, and also the ETL for the North American market. You can see. And the input voltage is from The input voltage is from the 100 to 265, 65. And this one is multi. This one is multi one. What is multi one? It means this LED driver has different current. One LED driver with 6 different currents. How to surprise you? Later I will show you how to select the current by control the DIP switch. You can see here. Here is the DIP switch. And this one is the constant current with 7 years warranty and is short circuit protection, overload protection, and over temperature protection. And also the PF is 0.9, 0.9. Okay, this part is the show you the situation to control the current. You can see clearly. Can you see? Yeah, so how to control by the DIP, such as the first one. The first one show you that when all the dim off, the current is 700 mA. So let's do it. Now it's all is on. So we put the DIP switch off or off. Like this. Now it's all off. So at this situation, the current is 700 mA. If you want 900 mA, the second one, the 900 mA. So you need to put the number one switch on, the number one. Keep another is off. Let's do it. Okay. Now the number one, the DIP switch number one is on and another is off. So at this situation, the current is 900 mA. It's very easy, right? Also, let's steer to show you how to choose the 1050 mA, 1050. You can see. So put the number one and the number two switch on and keep another is turn off. So let's do it. See this situation. So now the current is from the 1050. Okay, let's do the last one. Last one is 1050 500 mA, 1500 mA. If you want to choose this current, okay, put all the DIP switch off. Okay, now you can see at this situation, the current is 1500 mA. So it's very easy to you to choose the different current. This is our standard current we set by our factory. If you want another current, such as you want 200 mA or 800 mA, we can make it for you. Just tell us your request. This is a very good function for some customer. They are distributor for the constant current LED driver. So you no need to choose many different kinds LED driver for your lights. And also, if you have many different current lamps, you want to buy different current to connect with the lamps. But if you want to choose this one, no problem. And that's why this one can save your costs, right? And I think you know it's very easy to installation and to choose the current. And also we use the terminal for inside and output side, input side and output side. Very easy. And this one is dimmable. Later I will show you our dimmable function. You can see. Okay, this is CC type, constant current type. This type is about 50 watt. This is from 15 to 50 watt, and the current can be 2 years. We also have the constant voltage. You can see this one is 60 watt and 12 watt. 60 watt and 12 watt. So this is for Europe. So the input voltage we make 200 to 240, but we can also make to the North America market. Such like this one, just this is CV type. This is constant current. This is constant voltage. This is constant current. This is constant voltage type. The custom voltage is Sally. Sally, can you hear me? Take me a screw. Sure. Stop. Thank you. Yeah. And the LED strip light, please have to take to me the LED strip light. Strip light. Because I will show the customer. Not this one, the black one. No, this one. Okay, wait me a moment. Yeah, this one, that one, yeah. Thank you so much. Because later I will show you how good our dimming function is. This one is custom voltage, and the most special from other charging mobile on the market, because the loading is from 10% to 100%. What does it mean? It means this one is 60 watt driver, right? If you choose another regular items, it can only show you very good dimming function at maybe 40 to 60. But if you use this one as driver, even no matter you load with 6 watt or no matter you load with 60 watt, during such big range, it will always show you very good dimming function. You can see. And also the loading, this is checking about the loading is from 0 to 100%. It means can dim off. And even the input voltage is from 100 to 277. It's very special for the North American market because you know many regular items on the market, they only can make 90 to 130 to the North American market. But we can make full and high PF and 5 years warranty and high efficiency. And even the dimming function is very good. Also, okay, let me show you the dimming. This is LED strip is 60 watt, so connect with output. Okay, this is the dimmer. Dimmer we prepared here. Oh, this is. Just lose the screw.
No, just.
Oh, sorry, my problem. I should connect this wire on the input side. Okay, let me show you the dimming function of our LED driver. Okay, now power on. Can you see clearly? This is the, you can see now, adjust less. Still adjust the brightness become very light, very bright. Okay, still adjust. Now become darker and darker. Okay, now it's off, right? See again. So during the dimming, it's very smooth and no any noise and no any flicker. Because also I'm not sure if you noticed during my dimming the color index do not change. Why? Because all of our LED driver is PWM output. This is very good function for your lifetime, for the lifetime of your lamps, because some LED lamps, the warm white temperature is about 3000 K. But if you use the regular LED driver to dim, maybe the temperature can be 2800 K or 3300 K. But if you choose our LED driver, it will always keep 3000 K, because if you less or more than 3000 K, it's not good for your lifetime of your lamps. So if you choose our LED driver, it's very good for the driver and for your lamps. And later we have a fine tuning. We have a very special here. We have a very special function here. Here you can see this is a very small function to control the output. You know, this is constant voltage LED driver. The output is 12 volt, but this here can control the output from the 11 to the 13. Why we make this? Because we know we tested many LED strip lights. The output voltage is not very stable. Sometimes some LED strips they keep the 11 or keep higher. Such as if your LED strip is 11.5, if you always use 12 volt to load, so maybe it will make your LED strip damage. So it's not good for your lamps. So you can adjust here to keep the LED driver output is always 11.5. That's very good, right? And also the terminal, the input side terminal is suitable for the diameter wire from 0.75 to 2.5 mm. Also, the output is same. It's easy to installation, easy to dimmable, and even not for the engineer, for personal use is also very good. Good for design. Oh, sorry, maybe I forgot to show you the thickness. See, this one is 60 watt. The custom voltage type, the voltage range can be 30 to 90. 30 to 90. The thickness is only 23 to 24 point. Yeah, almost 24. So I think you already know about our this kind of products. So next maybe Sally, because this all is very special size. Maybe we have another special shape LED driver, such as the round shape and the linear shape, the linear slim shape, and the round shape like this. Yeah. So Sally will show you.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay, please. You can introduce the round shape LED driver to the customer.
Sorry. This is a round shape LED driver. You can see. This model also ultra-thin type. Input voltage is 100 to 240 volt for non-dimmable. If you choose dimmable, input voltage is 80 to 130 watt for North American, 180 watt to 240 watt for European market. So many countries also can use it. The sample is chargeable. Output is connect the constant voltage and constant current LED driver which are available for round-shaped LED type. Machines. Output power rate is from 12 to 80 watt. The dimension, let me show you. It's about 63 mm. The thickness just 21 mm. It's about 20 mm. 25 mm. Even 80 power, the thickness also only 31 mm. Maybe it's not clear. This model is 80 watt. The driver uses the best raw material, so with the 5 years warranty is no problem. There is no PCB design. If you want to know more clearly, we can share with you the picture or video. Just leave message and download our catalog there. It's easy for you to do it. Chargeable with high efficiency can up to 86%. The driver also have a high PF power factor can up to 0.995. Dimmable and non-dimmable are available, such like 0 to 10 watt dimmable only, 大力 dimmable only, chargeable only. We can make it, and non-dimmable are available. The dimension is the same as each item output power. The most important is the charging loading range. Loading range is from 70% to 100%. And the dimming range is 5% to 100%. Our driver also available so many certificates for this model round-shaped LED driver. ETL, FCC for North America, such as SAA for Australia, and TOEC laws for European market. We can laser your logo. This is our logo. The premise wall is with black color. let me show you the driver work for you. This EU plug. You can choose as your sender such as AU plug and EU plug, USA plug and AC plug. Input wire it can available for your repair, such 1 meter and 2 meters. This trimmer. Another input side. LED driver, 老水. This sample is 80 watt. Output connect the 24 volt LED street light directly. You can see here. Use the terminal. Power on. Ivan, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay.
Okay, now
You can put it.
okay.
Put it. It's okay.
It's too short. The wire too short.
Okay. Now turn on the trimmer. 5%. 30%. You can see the LED light become dark. Turn in mass. When I prolong is dimming, you can see the LED street light doesn't change the color index. No any noise. It's very smooth.
Okay.
You can maybe it's not clear.
You can adjust again.
Yeah, just 5%. Let me turn on.
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Okay, it's easy for you to control the light when you go out. It's convenience. We also have a long type.
Yeah, long slim shape, the linear shape.
Oh, big box.
Only the samples, okay.
Yeah, this one simple.
Okay. Okay.
This one, please be.
Oh, this is this side.
Okay. Running the shape. In the shape, you can see this model is non-dimmable. Good. Output power range is from 30 watt to 150 watt. Output connect the constant voltage LED street light. Cover with origin. This origin.
Yeah, orange color. We can change to maybe blue color as you want. No
Blue?
problem. Yeah, if the customer like blue or like any other color, we can do for you. Just maybe need MOQ.
The color is beautiful. I like.
Yeah, yes, many customers like this color.
The model is an IP20 housing cell as practice. We also available IP671. The housing cell is aluminum. With the silicon glue. First, introduce non-dimmable LED driver. It's very slim. The thickness. Let me show you the thickness.
It's 17 mm. Oh, the thickness? So wait a moment.
Yeah, yes.
Wait a moment. Is there?
Okay.
Okay, do it again.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure always. This is here.
Yeah, it's about 17
mm.
7 mm.
Yeah, 17.
It's very slim.
Yeah.
It's not dimmable. Three models output power rates both 30 watt to 150 watt. Output connected constant voltage 12 watt and 24 watt.
Yeah, this one is 30 watt. To check the size for the customer, this is 30 watt. The size.
Okay, you can check in.
This is 30 you can see. The thickness is only 80 mm.
The PCB for this model?
Yeah, this is the PCB design. This is 60 watt. This is 30 watt and 60 watt. 60 watt thickness is also the 18 mm. 18. And also this is 100 watt. 100 watt. You can see 100 watt.
The model input voltage is 100 to 277 watt. For so many countries can use it.
Yeah, this one is 150 watt. You can see. I can see this is the PCB design.
Okay.
Such good design.
This model is 6 watt.
Yeah.
6 watt, 24 watt.
With this we use very high quality PC raw material for the housing, and this is aluminum housing. The input side is glue inside.
Yes. This
touch very comfortable and smooth, very smooth.
IP20 also smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see IP20 also smooth.
The IP20 we use the terminal.
Can connect literally.
Yeah, the terminal for the input and output side. So it's very easy to installation. Very easy.
You can see here.
Very easy. And for this one is also IP20, but it's aluminum housing. We use plastic. This is plastic, but the body is the aluminum housing. This is IP20 also, but not IP67. And we use the wire direct. This is very special, very popular and special for the Brazilian market, because we export about 50,000 per month to the Brazil. And
also the driver is use best price, so it's very popular.
Yeah, this one price is more cheaper than this one, but the quality is also very good. So we have many different products to different market. And this we use the laser. This
one with 7 years warranty. This one is 3 years warranty.
This is 7 and this is 3. This 7 3. So this one is more popular in Europe and North America. You can see. But this one is more popular in Turkey and Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah, and this label we use the sticker. But now it's black only. But we can make a color.
Made in
China.
Color
the sticker. Yeah, made in China. And each one LED driver with one white box. We can also make the color box, and if you want the use manual on inside, also no problem, we can do for you. Even this one, the samples we take here is non-dimmable, right? Non-dimmable. This one is dimmable.
Yes, this one is not
because-
dimmable and not dimmable and not dimmable is available.
We can make non-dimmable. We can make check dimmable. We can make 0 to 10, 1 to 10, and PWM, and even 5-in-1. 5-in-1. Later, the Sally will show you our 5-in-1 dimmable LED driver, how to control, how to dim. Yeah, you can see this board.
Yes, in my breath.
Yeah, behind us, this is the sample board. We already connect with the terminal and the switch, and also with the LED lights. So let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's. Okay, open the switch. You can see the light. You can see when we open the switch and turn on the
adjust the dimmer.
or adjust the dimmer. You can see the light become on. Brightness.
Now is 100% brightness.
100%. When we adjust the dimmer, 50%, 30%, you can see the light become
Zero.
zero.
So our LED driver, the dimming range is always from 0 to 100%.
Yeah, you can see when we turn on the dimmer, you can see the light doesn't change the color index.
Yeah.
It's very smooth.
Yeah, and no noise.
No any noise and no flicker. Now turn a mess 100%.
Okay, 100%. Because you say
Okay. Please pay attention. The driver with emergency. Now we will adjust the dimmer 100%.
This one is 100%.
Turn off the switch. You can see the light become off. When we turn it again, you can see the light become brightness.
Yeah,
100%. Still 100%. Still keep 100%.
Yeah. This is a very good function, so you no need to always adjust. You can keep the brightness as you want.
Yes, when you go out, it's really convenient for you to control the light.
Yeah.
Become on, become light.
Okay.
Okay, that's right. Come on, sit down.
Just now Sally show you the simple 5-in-1 LED driver. What is 5-in-1? Maybe you have a question. The 5-in-1, it means we put 5 different dimming functions in one LED driver, such as track removal, 0 to 10, 1 to 10, PWM, and the potentiometer. Those dimmable all in one LED driver. So it's very you can choose with each one. You can choose the dimming one you want.
When you use A, you can just choose one dimmable.
Yeah.
One dimmable. Yeah.
This 5-in-1 is very popular by North American markets, right?
Yes.
So now I will show you another type which is also very popular in North American market. Wait a moment, I take some here.
Also, if you want to know more details about the 5-in-1 dimmable loneliness shade, we can share with you the video and picture. Just contact us. Yeah, when you feel free. Which do you want to share?
Firstly, too many sample here. Horror is very popular in the North American market. You can see this one. This is a faster connector. Later I will show you how to connect with the strip light. This one we call it Junction Box LED driver. Why we make this design? Because You may know North American market has very strictly requirements for the wiring. They don't allow any wiring to be exposed, so this is why we made this design. Okay, you can see this is aluminum housing, and this part is for the LD driver. Our label is sticker. Here, ETL certificate. We also use a pending UL. So maybe next few months we will get UL and by many customers to accept. This is 5-in-1 dimming. Here is already show you which kind of dimming function here. And this one is 3124 watt. 31 and 24 watt. It's high PF, 7 years warranty. And it is class 2 ETL, ROS and SELV standard. Maybe you have a question. This one, what is IP grade? Because it's aluminum housing, but it seems it's not IP67. Yes, the IP grade is IP54. 54 is suitable for the dry, damp, and wet locations. As you can see. The loading range is same as this linear shape 5-in-1. The loading is 10 to 100%. Before I also mentioned how good it is, because the regular item the loading is from 70 to 100%. It means only such as 100 watt ID driver, you can only load with 70 to 100 watt. The dimming function is very good. But if you use our LED driver, the no-min load LED driver, no matter you load with 10 watt or 100 watt, the dimming function is always very good. So, and another special is the dimming. The dimming range is from 0 to 100%. But for many regular items on the market, the dimming range is from 5 to 100%, so they cannot dim off. Our LED driver can dim off. Okay, let's show you the specifications. You can see this is a cover. We have two cover. This cover is for the LED driver part, and we have another big cover for the whole body. It is really too heavy because we use very high quality glue inside. You can see this part. This part is PCB, the LED driver PCB inside, and glue inside. We fill with glue inside here. So it's very better for the heat dissipation. That's why we can make the efficiency up to 86%. And also, and you can see this part. This is wiring part, right? Because for the North America, the input side we have to use the white color and the black color. White and black, and this green is ground wire. For output, sorry, let's back to this one. That one is too heavy for me. Okay, this is the output side. Output side with the red and the black to connect with LED strip, and this is the purple and gray color to connect with dimmable side. You can see here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes here. So if you want to connect the wire, you can use a tool to knock out the hole and use this. This is strain relief to put here, and LED strip goes through here to connect with the wire by the by this connector. This connector is very easy to buy from your local market. If you don't want, if you it's hard to buy, we can also help you to prepare a whole set for you. You can see this one is how easy to connect a wire. Okay, it's very easy, right? um And this one is 7 years warranty. It's with short circuit protection and overload protection and over temperature protection. It can match MLV, ELV dimmers because it's trailing and leading edge together. And we already did many tested. Actually, we chose the many dimmers on your local market from the USA, from the Canada, from the United Kingdom. So we did many tests with the foreign dimmers. It can match 90% dimmers on the market and always show very good dimming function. This one is from 30 to 300 watt, and special for the North American market. You can see our design. Also here is very good to fix the LED driver on the with the LED lights. To fix the LED driver. Yeah, you can see. Okay, but this one, if you want outdoor use always, and so we suggest you choose the IP67 model. We also have the 5-in-1 IP67. We have another question like this one. This one is a white housing junction box. Here is the empty housing, but the finished products always also PCB here and glue inside. This one is from 20 to 100 watt. 100 is the max. Some customers like this one because the size is very small. You can see the size is very small. It looks very simple. We have different outlooks for you to choose. So you can choose which one you prefer. It's white housing. And also we have another check 5-in-1 dimmable. Oh no, this one is later. Let me show you this one. This one is the IP20 with very small size, also 5-in-1 LED driver. You can see. This is white housing, white color. Because white color, as we know, white color is the most popular in the market. Because some lamps they are white color, so if you put the driver on the together with the lamps, it's not easy to find this driver. This part is the body, is the LED driver PCB body here, and two part. This side is terminal. It's for terminal only. We have a very good design for you. Such as this one. The first very special is the cover. You can see this cover. This cover, oh sorry. This cover no need any screw. It's very easy. You can see no need screw. So. And here you can see is the special design. After you already fix the LED driver, you can remove the LED driver without to screw again. You can see you can remove from the fixed place very easy. And okay, the second is the inside. It's easy. Here you can see this design. Here has a smaller design. Okay, let me show you clearly. Oh, no need. Thank you so much. You can show to the customer the inside, this part. This is also very good design. Why I say this? Because some customers they use different diameter wires, so this can adjust the space as you want. Such as, do you have any wire to? Okay. Such as this wire diameter, you can put here. And push. Okay, push this. Okay, it's very okay. Now it's only suitable for this wire. If you can adjust, it's also very easy. So this is a very good function. Okay, the first is our housing design, and the second is this special design for the control the space for wiring. And the third is we have a very small switch here. I'm not sure. Can you see clearly here? Here you can see this black one. This black one is a switch. It has three levels. You can control the current. Such as this one is the 80-watt LED driver, but we have the 1, 2, 3 level for different current. If you put the switch on the one level is such as this. The current is 3.3 mA. It means this one is 24 watt. It means this one is always keep the 80-watt LED driver. But if you put the switch on the 2 level, the output current will be 2.7 mA. That means it's only about 65 watt. And we also three level. The current is 2.3 mA. 2.3 mA. Oh, 2.38. Sorry, 2.38. 2,300 mA. My mistake. Actually, we will list all this info on the label so you can choose the current by your needs. Why we make this? Because we know some LED lamps they have different current. So you can change the different. You can choose the current as you want. Small function here. And this one is finally here you can see here is a very small function, fine tuning function here. This is for the same as the DIP switch LED driver I just show you. This is the input. This can control the output, such as this one is 24 watt. It can control the outputs from the 23 or 25. Why do this? Because we know some LED strips, the output voltage is not very stable. It's always less or more than the voltage. Such as the 12 watts, such as a 12 watt LED strips, maybe sometimes it is only 11 watt. and sometimes it's higher, such as 13 watts. So if it is 11, if you load with 12 watts to work for a long time, it's not good for the lifetime of your LED lights. So that's why we make this small function here. You can adjust our LED driver, the output always to be 11. So it's very good for the lifetime of your lamps. Also, this LED driver can be constant current and constant voltage, both constant current and constant voltage. This one is constant current type.
It's also constant.
This is constant voltage. I just take one sample constant current here. This one is 80 watts, 30 to 42 watts, and 2.2 ampere. All these series is also the loading is from 5 to 100% and dimming is 0 to 100%. PF more than 0.95, and also the free input voltage 5 years warranty. And also actually it's very similar than our previous 5-in-1 dimmable LED driver, but just the housing is very small, so we improved the housing design. So that's why this also is very popular in the North American market. Okay, let's show you the dimming. Show you the dimming function. Yeah. You can see we already connect with the input wire. One moment. We want to do it now. Okay? Yeah. Okay, you can see our LED strip. Now I adjust. Adjust. Okay, again. Brighter and bright. It's very easy and smooth, right? I just show you the check dimmable LED driver because you know this one is 5-in-1. You can also try to connect with the 0 to 10, 1 to 10, PWM and potentiometer dimmers as you want. If you want to get more info, you can contact us. Sorry. Oh, sorry, no need. Here has many samples here. This we use laser also. And besides, we have a very surprise LED driver. A small mini LED driver. Where is the mini?
Can we outside?
Oh, here, sorry. Here, you can see this one is very small size. This is 61. 60, this one has 2 different power. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to introduce this one. The voltage is from 20 to 90 wattage, and both constant current and constant voltage. And this one is 60. We can also make the 96 watt. This one is 12 watt. 96 watt with 24 watt. All is class 2 for the North American market. ETL CE. And we use the sticker here. Also, this one is the trailing and leading edge together. We use the wire directly. This is glue inside. It's IP20, very small size. And also the input is 90 to 130 watt. The input is 90 to 130 watt. You can see the UL. It is chargeable. It's leading and trailing edge, MLV and ELV dimmers, always no problem. And this one is 3 years warranty. Actually, you can imagine how competitive price it is, but it's not very common to say the price here. You can contact us for the price. It can surprise you because this one is really with very small size and with very good quality and competitive price. Same as other truck dimmable LED driver, the loading and dimming is very good. Okay, I think today all LED products is finished here. I hope you know more about us and also of this LED driver. The delivery time is very fast because we prepared many raw materials here because this is all the products which I show you is very popular items. Maybe the delivery time is about 20 to 25 for the bulk order. For the sample order, just 1 to 5 pieces. Maybe the lead time is about 10 work days. And we attend Hong Kong Lighting Fair, Poland Lighting Fair, and even the Thailand, Poland Lighting Fair. So our products is very popular on the show. But those 2 years, due to the COVID-19, we didn't attend the Hong Kong Lighting Fair. It's very regulate. Otherwise, our products is really very popular on the show. And even we can face to face to talk about more. Oh yeah, let me show the thickness about this one. It's about 25. Yeah, this one is 25. So I think we have many drivers can surprise you, right? Do you have any question to ask us about the LED driver? Because there are only 10 minutes. The live show is we're finished.
No any question? Really?
We have an e-catalog. You can contact us. The e-catalog, my colleague will send you.
If you want to get a paper catalog, you will send it to with your goods.
Yeah, actually, if for some items, we even can prepare free sample to you to test because this is a very good chance to us to show you our quality and our delivery time and our service anyway. So we are not small company in Shenzhen and in China. We are a very big company. So we are responsible for all of our products and service, anything. You can take some PCB here, so I can show the PCB to the customer about our design. The PCB.
Which model?
Any. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's show you our PCB design again. We use the Rubicon capacitor from Japan, and even we use the sealant IC. The IC we use the ST brand, also in USA. The Rubicon is from Japan, and actually we never do we always do the high quality products which has at least 3 years warranty. You can see our design. You know why we are confident about our products and why we can make sure our LD driver are really warranty, really 3, 5, or 7 years warranty. And we are in this industry from since 2006. We even not have any quality problem. So we always focus on the quality. Quality is first, and we know the price is also very important to the customer because now this is very sensitive. To help, I hope our products will help you will help you to win the market, to win more and more business. If you have your own design, we can also make the production for you. So the OEM and ODM is acceptable. Our next study will show you the waterproof LED driver.
Yeah. Okay, you can see our LED driver. Its model is silicone fit in silicone glue. The model is IP671.
Yeah, let us show you the put our LED driver on the water so you will know our quality.
Okay, you
This
show
one
I display.
这是浮水吗？
Yes.
This is waterproof.
No. Oh yeah.
This is waterproof, the LED strip. So
AU plug, it can change as you need.
yeah. Okay.
This one. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Now power on.
Sorry. We use a waterproof connector and a waterproof LED strip on the water, so you will know our quality. And you can see this is our glue inside.
Yeah.
Because time is only 5 minutes, so we will have to very quick to introduce this waterproof LED driver to you. If you want to get more info, you can contact us.
You can see the house inside is aluminum, full fit with silicone glue. Many poison resin are used in the market. It's better for the heat this poison. That's why our LED driver has a high efficiency and up to 86%. It's better to protect the components. Is it not clear?
Yeah, this series is from 20 to 400 watt, and also can be constant current and can be constant voltage as you want. All these series are with 5 years warranty.
This plug is AU plug. It can change as your standard, such as US plug, AU plug, AC plug, US plug, and EU plug. Is it okay? Output power range is from 20 to 100 to 60, 600,
400, yeah.
600, yeah, 600 watt. Output connect the constant voltage. Also, constant current LED driver we are available. IP6.
Yeah.
If you want, but this link will show you may know more about our company LED driver, goods, products, warranty, and some more details. If you want to know more clear about the products, you can You can contact us at any time. Just leave message or send email to us. Yeah.
Because there are only about 3 minutes left. If you have any questions, please left your contact way so we can send you more details.
Model is 30 watt. Both our LED driver and goods are available so many certificates such as ETL, FCC, LOS, SAA, CETOE are available.
Yes, actually, this one is very popular in the Australian market. They always request with Australia plug and wire to export.
Also, we can laser the logo on the driver. The driver with a PF 0.9 and 0.6. And PCB design.
Yeah.
You can see here our PCB design. Use the best low material, so with 5 years warranty is no problem. IC we use the ST brand also in US. The important capacitor we use Rocktan from Japan.
Yeah.
How many?
Two minutes left. Yeah.
Oh, 2 minutes will.
Times goes very fast.
Yeah, we'll go home. What time is your end time? Our time is about 9 o'clock p.m.
Yeah, 9 o'clock.
Wow, so long.
So maybe it's time to say goodbye to you.
Yeah, see you next time.
Yeah. So next time, welcome to our live show next week. About after the Mid Autumn Festival, it's about 22, right? Next Wednesday we have another live show. So welcome to our live show again. So today, goodbye.
Goodbye. You can click our website www.otti